There we go. You're being all submissive.
Right, it's usually her that's all submissive.
Find her.
What's that noise? What's that? Bubbles. No, you're not getting anything else. You can sit there all day. You're not getting anything.
I think Bubbles knows who's got treats.
Oh yeah.
It's not treats a mile off, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a good nose for that. No, you're not getting anything else.
Yes, still love you.
She's a good girl. She's a good girl. She's getting braver. Yes, she is. She's getting braver.
It's time for them to get used to the dogs. So.
Yeah.
I mean, she's still a bit.
What are you doing with Joshy?
So how old's this one then?
She's 10 months old.
10 months.
But dogs that are bigger than her, she's a bit.
Yeah, wary. It's the other way around for Bella. Dogs that are smaller, she's a bit worried about. It's big ones she's a lot happier with.
Yeah.
She's quite good with Alsatians.
You're a monster.
Oh, you two going to be busies?
Are you asleep now, you two? Are you? Are you asleep? Are you asleep? Are you a softie? You a softie? Yes, you are. You're a
Up
big
here.
softie.
Oh, Bella, you're just a floozy.
You're a big softie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Josh, that didn't give you right.
Oh, she's...
Bob's gift. Stock up a good friendship here, these two. No.
Oh, Bubbles, are you after some more treats?
Getting them. Big package.
There we go. Go find her.
No, Bubbles.
Yeah, hide behind the bigger dog.
Softly.
Oi, she's on the plate. Hey. Near you. You're getting protective towards your sister. Don't know why, since she charges, isn't it?